The future of in-car AI is here. Google's Gemini revolutionizes Android Auto. We've all been eagerly awaiting the next big update to Android Auto, and Google has delivered with the rollout of Gemini. This groundbreaking AI assistant is set to transform our driving experiences, and we've put it to the test on the road. But here's where it gets controversial. Is Gemini the game changer we've been hoping for, or just another step towards an AI-dominated world? Net's key takeaways. Gemini replaces Google Assistant. Say goodbye to the old assistant, as Gemini takes the wheel with its natural language capabilities. 3 ways to access Gemini. You can initiate Gemini through voice commands, the mic button, or the steering wheel control. The evolution of Android Auto. Google first teased the arrival of Gemini on Android Auto earlier this year, promising a more advanced AI experience. And true to their word, the rollout has begun, bringing Gemini's intelligence to dashboards worldwide. Gemini's in-car abilities. Gemini functions just like its smartphone counterpart, offering a range of features that make driving more efficient and enjoyable. Ask for complex info. Need to find a specific restaurant or navigate to a destination? Gemini has got you covered. Natural conversations. Unlike the previous assistant, Gemini understands and responds to natural language, making it a true conversational partner. Find messages and emails. No more fumbling through your dashboard. Gemini can help you locate and access important messages. 5 ways Gemini enhances your drive. Google highlights 5 key ways Gemini can improve your driving experience. Local stop expertise. Gemini provides insights from real reviews and answers common questions about local businesses. For instance, you can ask about restaurants along your route that serve good burgers and are dog-friendly. Seamless messaging. Communicating on the go is easier than ever. You can ask for text message summaries or dictate new messages, even adding emojis and translations. Learn and rehearse. Gemini's live mode lets you learn new facts, brainstorm ideas, and rehearse for meetings. It's like having a personal assistant and tutor rolled into one. Perfect playlists. Create custom playlists for your road trips, whether you want specific songs or a mood-setting soundtrack for a rainy drive. Productivity on the move. Access your unread emails, Google Calendar, and more without lifting a finger. Gemini can even navigate you to your hotel reservation with a simple voice command. Room for improvement. One area where Gemini could improve is its ability to handle interruptions. Unlike the mobile version, Gemini on Android Auto doesn't allow for mid-sentence corrections, which can be frustrating when trying to articulate a thought while driving. The future of driving safety. While Gemini is an impressive upgrade, ZDNET believes there's potential for it to play a more proactive role in driving safety. Imagine Gemini working with your car to alert you about speed limits or upcoming accidents. This could be a game changer for road safety. Final thoughts. Gemini on Android Auto is a significant leap forward, offering limitless capabilities compared to the Google Assistant. This first release is a welcome improvement, and we're excited to see how Google continues to enhance the driving experience with AI. But what do you think? Is Gemini a step towards a safer driving future? Or are there concerns about AI's role in our daily lives? Let us know in the comments.